You can buy one now for $2,000. Sound fair enough? All right, Steve. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. This pen is so much more than just another pen. This is going to change everything all over again. Hurry up and tell me if you're buying or not, okay? You're not the only customer. If you don't buy one, I'll sell to another customer. 10,000 US dollars, okay? Hurry, hurry. Oh, you are Japanese. You have many money. Arena, you tell me you don't have money, you wear good clothes, you good watch, even still have good teeth. Bye, see. Don't worry, it's very, very cheap. I'm saying this for your own good. If you don't buy it, you are sure to go to hell. Yes. Sorry. This pen is very popular. Everyone buy. Everyone buy. This black color is popular color of this year.